the hair, same thing as a tissue paper. What happens if your hair is going to be like, I'll come back to the slides on that. But the key part of this product is the CMC code. Any idea? Those online, you can type. What does CMC means? CMC, you type, huh? For those that is in the room here, do you know what is CMC means? Those who know, raise hand. Wow, you need to do more product talk, don't know. Cell membrane complex is a measurement of how proteins is absorbed into our hair. So this protein-intensive hair is for what purpose? These are the 5 items. So let's have an assessment on our hair. If your hair is dull, that means not smooth, okay? It will be one part of it. We can use this. Dull, dry hair. Second, split end. So if your hair has split end, or if your hair does not look healthy, or your hair does not look soft, and your hair gives no shine, that means the hair itself is sick. The hair is sick. We need protein. So when do we use our Atomy protein intensive hair care? These are the 5 symptoms. I repeat, when the hair is looking down, split end, doesn't look healthy, very meshy, like what? Like a piece of hot wire, all meshed up together. At the same time, it doesn't shine. This is where you will try this product. All right? Let's move on. Okay, so this is another way you can look at it. Another way you can test it is when you comb your hair. Is it difficult to comb your hair? Look at this picture. Zoom into the picture, team. Thank you. Yeah. If you are having this problem, then it's an indication we can go on and we can look at how to absorb the protein. All right? So let's move on to the last few slides. So, what does this protein or treatment for high protein product comes with? There is one for shampoo, which is the one. Can we zoom on to the picture, team? Thank you. Yes, the picture. Huh? One for the shampoo, which is the taller guy. The other one is for treatment. And in terms of the main ingredient, is really the CMC code, which is made up of the protein, the amino acid, the peptides, and the betaine. So at the same time, which is aquatactor and magnolia kilo, okay? So these are the main ingredients for the product. Today, I may not have so much time to go into details, but at least when you want to deal with hair issue, this is the product we go for, all right? Now, the uniqueness of these, let's go back, zoom into it. High protein. Hair also needs healthy ingredient. Most of us talk about face a lot, you know. When it comes to the hair, we can kind of run away from it. So think about it. If the hair itself has a special Atomy own CMC code, what it means? It means that the amount, parts per million, how much of the protein is able to be absorbed. So of course, the bigger the number, the better. The shampoo is 28,000, but the treatment is 450, right? So there are measurements on how much the protein is absorbed. So in other words, instead of going to the salon, you may bring this product home and renew your hair. And most important, again, we have patented some of the ingredients and the way we make the product. Right? Yep, let's go down to the next page. In fact, this is the overall feature of the product. Like I said, you just have to make sure whenever we look at a product, we ask ourselves, what is this product for? So if I tell you this particular product can deal with your dull hair, rough, dull-looking hair, not smooth, And when you comb it entangles, using this can solve this problem. Do you think this is a good product? And what should you say? Right, okay. So I know we should kind of like try before we can see whether it works or not. Okay, so I'm going to skip some of this due to time factor. So in general, we are talking about the shampoo is $31, and I think the whole set is about $55.